Think about that.
So, from a legal perspective, I'd say the advice that he's getting is not particularly good. I think the reason why is because when the governor made his apology, it was very much focused on his intention. And all lawyers in New York are going to know that the governor signed into law a recent Senate bill that changes the standard with respect to sexual harassment, the legal standard, and intention of the alleged perpetrator has absolutely nothing to do with whether or not that sexual harassment occurred. So I think that an apology should have really focused on how he treats all of his employees. He mentioned that he appreciated that women were speaking out, that their voices were being heard. I think from a PR perspective, that was probably a good idea. From what we've read in the press about the attorney general, she is determined to run an independent investigation and not to be influenced by politics. And if that's true, then she's going to do a deep dive into the governor's office, into his personnel, his staff, and she's going to have to use those standards of sexual harassment that are in place in New York to determine whether or not the governor treats everyone the same way